Hi, my name is Dr. Trevor Dixon, the CEO and founder of the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad helping Jamaicans at home.
We are from the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad helping Jamaicans at home. And we discovered that she has some fluid around her heart, and it's a large amount of fluid. We're happy that we're here and we have the ultrasound. We use the ultrasound machine and we're able to see the fluid. We would not normally be able to know that if it wasn't for the ultrasound machine.
Okay.
So now we're thinking that she needs to go to the hospital for immediate evaluation. We have a patient here who came to the clinic today for a checkup. We're in Ulster Spring, Trelawney, in rural Jamaica, and she came for a checkup because she was feeling dizzy, lightheaded, and weak for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And we examined her and found that she had a large amount of fluid around her heart.
Did an ultrasound on her?
Yeah, well, we have the technology. We have these handheld ultrasound devices. We've been training doctors how to use it in Jamaica, but we didn't think we'd have to use this device today. And we had it with us, and we put the handheld ultrasound on her chest, and in our evaluation of why patients are dizzy and lightheaded, and we found that she has a large pericardial effusion. So we're taking her to the closest hospital, which is about 2 hours away. And we called the hospital ahead of time. They told us they don't have any ambulance available, and when they do have an ambulance available, it'll be 2 hours. So we don't know how long this ambulance will be available. So we think it's in the best interest of the patient to bring her in a pretty secure, safe vehicle. Our minibus here, we're bringing a paramedic from New York City. She works for the Fire Department of New York, and we have a medical student who will be assisted on this journey to the Falmouth Hospital.
Thank you for delivering this patient safely to us at Falmouth Hospital. Amen.
Improving healthcare through bedside ultrasound, what's called point-of-care ultrasound. It's a winner for Jamaica. It's a winner for the Jamaican citizens, the Jamaican patients that come into the hospital. Many of these patients can't afford to go outside and get a radiology ultrasound. So when we're at the bedside and we say, you know what, your kidneys are not the problem, instead of sending them outside to spend $3,000-4,000 to find out, or more, to find out that their kidneys are not the problem, these physicians, they don't charge them. They usually put the probe down on the bedside and say your kidneys are fine, let's look somewhere else, let's do other tests, but let's save you the fee that you'll charge. And sometimes we don't know.
Right.
So this is very important. This is a win for Jamaican citizens. This is a win for everyone.